Most people think of LA or San Francisco when they think of traveling to California. But the best-kept secret about California is the beautiful Central Valley, halfway between LA and San Francisco. With pristine beaches, world-class wineries and quaint small towns, this is the best part of California. Less crowded, less touristy and less pricey. Just 3.5 hours away from LA or San Francisco, it is another world with a slower pace, clear blue skies and stunning vistas. We took off from LA, heading north on the 101 freeway towards Cambria. We had to choose dog-friendly places only. Beautiful drive along the gorgeous California coast. First stop, Santa Barbara. We skipped the beach for the historic Mission. There are 21 missions in California. This one was built in 1786. Even though it has a dark past of exploitation of the indigenous population, it is worth visiting as it is a part of California and U.S. history. Please like and subscribe, so that I can create more content. Next we drove on the scenic State Highway 154 to Solvang. A touristy town with Danish roots and architecture, it is worth a stop for lunch and window shopping. Our puppy had a blast people watching and window shopping. We then headed towards San Luis Obispo and stopped at our first winery, Edna Valley Winery. Our puppy got to stretch his legs, while we sipped on wine. Next stop, the small seaside town of Morro Bay, named for its namesake rock. Lots of seals. Finally we make it to our Airbnb in Cambria. Our spacious home for the next few days, within a pine forest, steps from the ocean. Next morning, we start our day by hiking in the Fiscalini Ranch Preserve. Free and gorgeous. We headed to San Simeon next. We skipped Hearst Castle, where we'd been before. Instead, we headed to the Elephant Seal Vista Point. It's free and you could spend hours watching these giant, fascinating creatures. Back in town we had lunch and headed to a nearby winery. Stolo Winery just outside Cambria is a great place to hang out with a picnic basket and wine. Our pup loved it. The next morning I went for a hike behind the house and startled a couple of deer. We drove to Paso, Robles, a scenic drive through wine country. miniature garden and winery. Definitely worth a visit, and it is free except for the wine, of course. Austin Hope is one of Paso's best wineries. Tastings are private. I would highly recommend. Surprising for August, we got rain on the drive back. Let me know what you think in the comments, so that I can make better videos.